how to hide apps and games on your Samsung phone. This tutorial shows you how to make any app or game disappear from your home screen and app drawer on your Android device. First, go to your home screen on your Android device. After that, pinch in on the screen with two fingers or long press on any empty space on the home screen. From there, a menu will appear at the bottom of the screen with several options. At this point, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner to open your home screen settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Hide Apps on Home and App Screen. Following this, you'll be taken to a screen showing a full list of all the apps and games installed on your device. Once done, tap on any app or game you want to hide to select it. From here, keep tapping on as many apps and games as you want to hide. You can select multiple at once. At this stage, once you've selected everything you want to hide, tap Apply or Done to confirm. After this, go back to your home screen and swipe through your app drawer to confirm that the selected apps and games are no longer visible. Finally, whenever you want to unhide them, simply follow the same steps. Go back to Hide Apps on Home and App Screen and deselect the apps you want to restore. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you hide your apps and games from view, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.